Hola, abuelo.
As a mother that has treated malaria, I've treated the malaria almost 2 times, and it gave me sleepless nights. But now that there is a vaccine for the malaria, at least I'm happy. I'm glad that that stress won't be there again.
I'm happy to bring my child to the health center to take a vaccine because we heard that malaria are killing other children.
The concern when I get for this malaria vaccine to the children, I want to make it plenty so that it go around all the children will need them. Make it no dey only small, make it no dey limited, so that some children go, make it be say some children no go dey left out. Make it go around all the children, make them produce more come.
Malaria here, the prevalence is high, and of course it accounts for about 30% of deaths under 5 children, and it also accounts for a good number of reasons why both adults, mothers and fathers stay out of job. Society is made up of religious, cultural issues, and religious leaders, some religious sects do not believe that people need to take vaccine, so that penetrates to society. Some believe that, oh look, this vaccine is conspiracy theories of maybe the developed countries want to depopulate us, cause subfertility and infertility. Some believe that, of course, if the vaccines are extraneous bodies, they could cause a lot of issues in your body. They will shorten your lifespan. So it's about cultural and both religious beliefs.
Hola, abuelo.